everybody, how you doing? It's Justine here with another layout in my traveller's notebook, the Scrappery. I'm using the SKYE kit and it's definitely, I can probably say it's definitely my favourite kit to date. It's just gorgeous. I cannot get enough. So I'm just using the branding strip here just to have a bit of a play. I like using the branding strips. They're the little bit at the bottom of your 12 by 12s. Waste not, want not, they say. This was just a real, well, how can you put it? A real play for me. Just felt like layering and what I very elegantly call plopping all the stuff down. I might actually try and turn that into a technical scrapbooking, traveller's notebooking term. So I just was really enjoying using up little bits of scraps that I had left over and just, yeah, placing things down. It's a little bit of leftover doily. I just wanted something that was, oh my gosh. I don't think I left it in, but that punch, that punch got stuck. And I thought that it was never going to work again and I would have cried. But yeah, just having, and then this, I had it, look, watch this. Oh, like why? Why do these things happen? Oh dear. So yeah, I just had a play, and this is a little photo that my daughter and I love getting the Snapchat filters out, as you do when you have an 11-year-old and maybe a mum that thinks she's, only like 15 as well. So I just love this photo of us and I wanted to just celebrate it. I didn't do any journaling even on this. I just wanted to celebrate the little hug that we had as cats. We're all crazy cat people, or crazy animal people in this house. But we have 3 cats, as you've seen. If you've watched any of my other videos, they feature quite regularly. And yeah, so I just wanted to celebrate this photo and just find little bits and pieces. This is fun, the funnest. Is that another made up word? I'm going with it. This is the funnest part for me of doing scrapbooking, memory keeping, traveller's notebooking, is just finding all the little bits and pieces and ripping up paper and putting it down and adding layers and colours. And these are all my favourite colours, which is basically pink and pastels and flowers. And just, yeah, having fun and having a play and putting it on. So it's not, I guess it's not anything hugely as a tutorial. It's not probably giving you any great profound new techniques that you can use in your life. But if it helps you maybe with showing you how I play around and I place things on, and if I just don't like the look of it, I take it back off. I don't stop until I find what I'm actually like, till I find something that looks nice. And I'm probably a little bit cautious. I know some people will just put it on and commit to it and that's it, but I'm way too fussy for that. So I knew I wanted to use a flower on here as example, so I just pulled out all the flowers. I didn't know if I wanted to bring in some of the darker blue that's in this kit, which is gorgeous, but I ended up just wanting to keep it really soft and kind of a little bit muted, and just keep all the soft pinky colours in. Oh gosh, I can't speak. Soft pinkish colours in there that, sort of complement the photo. Here, I really wanted to, this is a good example, I really wanted to use a flower there, but I just found the shape of them wasn't fitting, and I liked that one, but I still found the shape wasn't fitting. So I went back to it and I went, I know what's wrong. I need it to be tucked behind. So I just chopped it. Don't be afraid, just do it. And now it sits there nicely and it's tucked away, and yeah, and don't be afraid to layer things on top of flowers as well. I mean, I probably went a little bit crazy with the word stickers on this one, and I did look at it and go, oh gosh, Justine, seriously, like, is that just way too many words on there? But really it's not, because everything that's on there sort of talks about the moment. So embrace, you know, we're having an embrace, or embrace the time together. These moments that count, we're together, and she is my happiness. So yeah. And this is me saying I don't like photos of myself, but you know, you have to do what you have to do. That's all done. I hope you've got something out of it, some close-up photos for you. And yeah, and I'll see you all next week, still with the SKYE kit, because I love it. Just want it to last forever. I might grab myself another one, I think, because it's just too pretty. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.